The Lorain County Furniture Bank helps hundreds of families every year, but it had to shut its doors, even with a warehouse full of goods. News Channel 5's Dan Haggerty talked to social workers in Lorain County who call this a big problem for the needy.
Well, the Furniture Bank suspended its operations for the rest of the year because they can't afford to stay open. A social worker with Lorain County says it's one of their top resources for families in need.
In all of my years in social work, this is probably the worst that I've ever seen it in our community.
Sue Goins and Jessica Bird work with Lorain County Jobs and Family Services. They help families every day restart their lives.
I got a phone call today. A young lady separated from her husband. She's starting over, so she needed everything. Bed, furniture, tables.
And typically she'd be referred here. The Lorain County Furniture Bank worked on referral from the county to furnish those in need with donated goods free of charge.
We were sending faxes over of referrals and they were coming back, so we knew something was wrong.
And they were right. They say the Furniture Bank has closed for the rest of 2010, maybe longer. Goins says a lack of resources, money, and volunteers means this warehouse will stay filled with furniture, and no one can afford to have it moved.
As funding gets cut from more and more organizations, we're faced with fewer and fewer resources.
It's very hard to not have another agency that, we work closely with. It's going to be hard.
And those workers with Lorain County who rely on nonprofit organizations to aid their clients say the pool is shrinking dramatically and they need help. Since the Furniture Bank closed, people have been referred to the Vine of Hope Community Center, but its stock is much smaller. Reporting live, I'm Dan Haggerty, News Channel 5.